In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Calendly appointments. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or coordinating meetings with clients, Calendly is a fantastic tool for keeping everything organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log in and navigate your Calendly account to view, manage, and prepare for your scheduled appointments with ease. If you're new to Calendly, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up for an account and get started. Now let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or whatever browser you typically use. Once it's open, head to the address bar at the top of the screen and type www.calendly.com. Press enter, and you'll be taken straight to the Calendly homepage. This is much quicker than searching for it manually, and it ensures you're on the official site. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Calendly account. Make sure you use the correct email, as this is what links you to your account. After entering your email, proceed to the next step. Now, depending on your setup, you may need to authenticate your account through Microsoft. If your Calendly account is connected to your Microsoft calendar, you'll be redirected to login.microsoftonline.com. This step is essential because it syncs your Microsoft calendar with Calendly. That way your appointments stay up to date and conflicts are avoided. To continue, enter the email address you use for your Microsoft account, followed by your password. Once you've completed this step, you'll be logged in and redirected back to your Calendly homepage. Now that you're logged in, let's take a look at how to view your appointments. At the top of your Calendly homepage, you'll see a quick overview of your upcoming meetings. This section is great for getting a snapshot of what's coming up next. For a more detailed view, click on the Meetings tab in the navigation bar. This tab will show you a comprehensive list of all your scheduled meetings, including their times, dates, and other important details. It's the perfect place to get a full picture of your calendar. From here, you can navigate to the Scheduled Events section to see the finer details of each individual meeting. This section goes beyond just the basics. It includes specific information such as who's attending, where the meeting is taking place, and any special instructions or notes that may be relevant. If you're a planner, this is where you'll want to spend some time. To dive even deeper into a particular meeting, simply click on its Details button. This will give you additional insights, such as the agenda or any notes you've added to help you prepare. Taking a moment to check these details can make a big difference in ensuring you're fully ready for your appointments. And that's it, a simple and effective way to log into Calendly and navigate your appointments. So now you know exactly how to manage your schedule and access the information you need to stay organized. If you have any questions or tips about using Calendly, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.